Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the native units in Blender 2.9 from meters to millimeters. First, you're going to go to this right sidebar and Scene Properties, which you'll find with this pyramid bubble circle icon. Or you can type in units here in the search bar. Find the drop down for units. And for unit scale, type in 0.001, enter. Up here in this overlays, you're going to see a solid and outline circle. Click on the drop down and find scale, type 0.001, enter, and you'll see our grid has been updated. You'll still see in this transform panel, we're seeing meters for the dimensions, so go ahead and change your length to millimeters. And if you're happy with the scene defaults as this, go to File, Defaults, Save Startup File, and next time your measurements will be ready. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.